Dobry dzień. So I'm going to make the presentation in English, sorry. So I'm going to show you today 2 simple tricks to find how to maximize and improve your profitability when you are trading or when you are mining. A few words about me. So I've been a trader for 15 years and especially as a professional trader in a bank for 7 years. I'm also an entrepreneur with a few companies and I'm an investor in Bitcoin and mining, obviously, that's why I'm here. And if you wonder what is this strange accent, that's a French accent. So the first feeling that most of us have when we're investing in a Bitcoin, in cryptocurrencies or in any stock markets is the following one. You want to buy, market drops. The opposite is true. You want to sell, market bumps. So that's why I'm going to show you today 2 simple techniques that you can keep in mind. They are very simple, very visual. And if you follow them, you will maximize your profits or minimize your losses at least. The first signal is the breakout consolidations. That's universal. It doesn't matter if you're trading Bitcoins, stocks, gold, commodities, anything. That works for everything. The consolidation, basically, it's when the price stops moving continuously a lot. So we can see prices jumping all the time. Jumping up, down, up, down, up, down. And the consolidation is when these oscillations are slowing down. And then you can take the direction of the breakout. So you can see it here. Consolidation, price stops moving, drops. So if you are mining and you're wondering, okay, should I buy, sell, hold my mining, my profits, my coins, sorry, then you can wait for a signal like that. And if you break out from the top or from the bottom, it could be a good sign to just sell everything or to hold what you have. And it's working here as well. That was at the beginning of the year. Consolidation. Here you could be mining. You are probably mining and wondering, okay, what I should do. And when you are here, you don't know. You just don't know. But here you have a signal. Okay, instead of selling, buying, or waiting, you just keep what you have. And here you have another consolidation. And again, and again, and again. Different types of consolidations that most of people know. Triangles, rectangles, all these, they are the same thing. They are consolidations. Price reduces their oscillation. Again, on another currency, always the same thing. So if you are in the middle of the consolidation, you just wait. You don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. So I just wait and see. Why they are so good, those consolidations? Because they are easy to spot. And most of the time we try to see, okay, is it the top? Is it the bottom? Should I buy now? Should I sell now? We don't know. We don't know if it's the top or the bottom, if it's good time to buy or to sell. So just wait for one of those patterns and keep or sell depending where you exit the pattern. So there are 3 rules. The longer the consolidation, the better. That's what we saw from January to March. Nothing happening, and then move. Then the more the movement is accelerating, the shorter they are. So they are not as good signals as long consolidation. And the shorter are probably going to fail. So if you wait the last moment for a consolidation, it will probably fail. Second signal, it's spotting the bull and bear runs. So when prices are making unbelievable movements in one direction, up or down. Usually prices should not move so fast, but in the crypto industry, they are moving extremely fast. And usually we are at the very top and we are, that's going to go even higher, I should buy or not sell at least. And that's where you see the drop. So an easy way to spot it is using the moving average. People would tell you, or traders would tell you, yeah, when you are above, you buy, when you are below, you sell. That's not the way I use them. what I'm using is how far are we from this moving average. Because a moving average is an average. So that's the average price around which the price should be. And if you are too far from it, you are in an excess. And in crypto, as you can see, it's very easy to be extremely far from the moving average. So when you are here, I'm too short. Is it a good time to buy? Too far from the moving average. So if you want to buy, wait for a comeback. Here, for example, I don't know what's going to happen, but at least that's a better price to buy. And if you are mining, and that's why we are here, you are mining, let's say here, for example, and you're wondering, okay, is it going to go higher or not? I don't know. Are you far from this moving average? You are 33% away. It is far. Beyond 20-25%, it is far. So if you don't know if you better buy, sell, keep, hold, whatever, you better just sell. Of course, you can go much higher, but at some point, that's going to revert violently, and that's what's happening all the time. That's another example. So it's the same thing, but on another cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter, actually, if it's a cryptocurrency, if it's a commodity or a stock. It's exactly the same all the time. Those movements, they happen also on stocks. You have to know that. So now maybe you wonder what's my opinion about the Bitcoin, if I'm a trader. So that's my opinion, and that's the last part of the presentation. So we had a massive consolidation over 2018, and we broke from the bottom. We had another consolidation here at the beginning of the year, and now we might be, it's not sure, but we might be in another consolidation. So at the moment, the best, in my opinion, is just to wait and keep what you have. And if you are breaking from the bottom, this consolidation, well, better maybe to sell what you are mining. And the opposite is true. If you are breaking this consolidation from the top, maybe it's not time yet to sell. The thing is, right now, we don't have enough data. We don't have enough data. We don't know if it's going to go higher, lower, or if it's going to go sideways. The best would be to have this movement sideways here for an extended period of time. Because a consensus is going to be created between buyers and sellers. And at some point, this consolidation is going to break and show you in which direction you should be. So most of the traders or investors try to guess, are we at the top, at the bottom, or is it going to go higher or lower? I don't know. And well, maybe some people know and have tools and can guess, and it's really good. But most of us, we don't know, and that's why I'm using those simple tools to know, okay, that's visual. We are here or we are not. And like that, we can maximize our profits. Спасибо.
Thank you. Есть время на один вопрос, очень короткий.